Hey everybody, what's up? Marc Supsic here. I want to invite you to come join me for this latest weekly tasting pack that I put together just for you. It's all about Chardonnay and I call it the French Traveler. In this pack you're going to get a chance to taste the original French expression of Chardonnay from Burgundy. If you've never had a chance to try real Burgundy Chardonnay before, this wine alone is worth buying the entire pack just to have. The other wine in this pack is a high-end Chardonnay from Sonoma, California, and at the same price as the French wine, it's a steal. You're going to get a lot with this weekly tasting, including my own personal tasting notes on each of these wines, some food pairing suggestions, some recipes that pair with these wines, and of course, a comprehensive tasting of these wines led by yours truly. I mean, that's basically priceless, right? Weekly tastings are expertly curated wine experiences that you can sit back and enjoy in your own personal time in your own personal way. Don't worry, I've already done all the hard work for you. This pack is an awesome value. These are some really high quality wines for the price, so don't hesitate to pick it up because I think it will sell out pretty quickly. I hope to see you there for the tasting. I'm Marc Supsic. Cheers.